Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Unacademy. So, guys, this is the part 5 of uh, must solve LRDI set from CAT 2019. So, we are going to solve sets from CAT 2019 slot 2. Okay. So, those who are watching me for the first time, guys, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Shyam Jagrut. I have been training the student for last 8 years. I have trained the students for CAT, SNAP, CT, and I do teach the quantitative ability, logical reasoning, and data interpretation. So I have trained more than 7,000 students in this last 8 years. So guys, this is the simple agenda for today's session. We are going to solve LRDI sets. One set will be from LR and one will be from data interpretations from CAT 2019 slot 2. You can join us on YouTube. Unacademy CAT4MBA is our channel. Those who have not yet subscribed, please do, guys, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll get the notification about the next upcoming live sessions. And you can also join us on Telegram channel, that is CAT4MBA is our channel, where we upload the PDF notes for YouTube sessions as well as the session that we conduct on Unacademy platform. You'll get the PDF notes for all the session that we take on Telegram. So join this group. Those who are willing to go for the plus subscription on Academy, I definitely recommend all of you, those who are preparing for MBA entrance exams. So guys, do purchase this subscription. You'll get the is the amazing plan from Unacademy, where you'll get to interact with the top educators of the India, and at the same time you'll get the mock test so that you can assess yourself. So you can use my code SHAM1 to avail 10% of discount. So let's begin, guys. Here is the first set, that's about data interpretation. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Nicole. Am I audible, Nicole? Any problem with the audio? Is it clear? Okay, so guys, try to interpret the information. So here's the set for you. So once we done with this cell, you'll definitely understand what exactly the data interpretation is and किस type के questions आते हैं CAT में, and you'll definitely get the questions like this. This is totally a calculation based set, and it is from the actual CAT paper, that is CAT 2019. Drop in the comment if you have any query related to first part. Read the information. If you haven't get any point, you can just tell me so that I'll elaborate that point. I want you to try first, as we do every day. I'm not going to simply solve it for you. I want you to comprehend the information, then I'll get you through some points, and then we'll go ahead with the sub questions. Okay, so I'll just read it for you. To compare the rainfall data, IMD calculated the LPA, that is long period average of rainfall during the period June to August for each of the 16 states. So there are 16 states and the information is given over there, and that figure given in the below, the figure given below shows the actual rainfall measured in mm. So that's the those are the figures जहाँ पे जो actual rainfall जो measure हुआ है वो दिया है monthly. Then ड्यूरिंग जून टू अगस्त 2019 का है. So this table is completely about 2019. Don't give up guys, just read it, go with this. Then the percentage deviation from LPA of the respective states. So long period average जो 2018 में था, look at this. LPA 2019 का नहीं बोला है, deviation from the LPA, that is long period average of respective states in 2018. तो 2018 में जो LPA था उससे कितना परसेंट डेविएट हुआ है, ये यहाँ पे डेविएशन दिया हुआ है. सो दिस इज वाई एक्सिस पे अगर तुम देखोगे, आर गेटिंग निकोल, वाई एक्सिस पे जो दिया है वो है डेविएशन एंड दैट ऑल दोज वैल्यूज आर इन परसेंटेज. प्लस 10 मीन्स 10%, प्लस 20 इज 20%, 30%, 40%. देन यहाँ पे -10 इज -10, मतलब 10% डिक्रीज, 20% डिक्रीज, 30% डिक्रीज, 40% डिक्रीज, 50% डिक्रीज, 60% डिक्रीज, 70% डिक्रीज. तो 2018 में जो LPA था, ओके आई टेल यू वन एग्जाम्पल, जस्ट ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ के, दिस इज जस्ट द पार्ट ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन, दिस इज नॉट द कंप्लीट सेट. इसके आगे हमें कुछ पॉइंट्स दिए हैं. So sub questions basically हमें we'll jump to the sub question later, means I mean to say just understand the information first. Okay, so it may happen sub questions में कुछ information दिया होगा या नहीं भी दिया होगा, totally depends. इस पे भी questions पूछे जा सकते हैं. So अगर तुम LPA calculate, can you tell me for any of the state, let's talk about Maharashtra. महाराष्ट्र का ये जो 1000 है, what is this 1000 Nicole, can you just drop in the comment? So if you look at this 1000, so this is 1000 is the June to August 2019 में actual rainfall measure किया गया 1000. And for Maharashtra the deviation, if you look at the deviation, so this is 1000. okay, this is 200, 400, look at this, 200, 400, 600, 800, 1000. so Maharashtra is 1000. and for Maharashtra deviation अगर तुम देखोगे, so this is the horizontal line. for Maharashtra it is 30% deviation है, right? so if you want to calculate the LPA of 2018, LPA 2018 महाराष्ट्र के लिए जो भी होगा, महाराष्ट्र के लिए लेट्स से X LPA है, तो वहां से 30% इंक्रीज हुआ है. 30% इंक्रीज मतलब it will be 1.30x. hopefully you know this because this will be 30% plus X, that is 130%. 130% मतलब 1.30x, right Nicole, am I right? Those who are watching this video, let me know in the comment if you understand this. And we know this 1000 is 1.3x, 1.3x 1000. and don't get, means don't start calculating the LP of each and every state, because वो हमें पूछा है या नहीं पूछा है वो हमें नहीं पता. I'm just calculating this just to elaborate you कि यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, what is this information all about. Everything is clear? Have you understood up till now? Nicole, give me a thumbs up guys if you understand up till now. Hopefully you understand. So we can calculate LPA of 2018 for each of the state, but we need not to do that. We'll move to the sub question and then think what to do. Okay, so here is the first question, and I'll recommend all of you, अगर इस टाइप के questions आते हैं तो definitely attempt करने ही चाहिए, because these are the easiest question from data interpretation section as compared to logical reasoning as well, क्योंकि यहाँ पे simple calculations करने हैं तुम्हें, that's it. So if a heavy monsoon state is defined as the state with actual rainfall from June to August 2019 of 900 or more, So first thing, Nicole, understand what we need to find. Heavy monsoon state 900 mm या 900 से ज्यादा रेनफॉल जो हुआ है वो है हेवी मानसून. सो विच आर द स्टेट्स जहां पे 900 से ज्यादा एक्चुअल रेनफॉल है? विच आर द स्टेट्स 900 से ज्यादा मीन्स देखो ये है 800, दिस इज 1000. इस पॉइंट से आगे जो आता है वो सॉरी ओके, सो 900 से ज्यादा फ्रॉम हियर, फ्रॉम से, तो 900 से ज्यादा महाराष्ट्र है, देन सिक्किम है, महाराष्ट्र है, देन मिजोरम, देन अरुणाचल प्रदेश, केरला, मेघालय, गोवा. ये है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Can I say, Nicole, these are 7 which have heavy rainfall. So hopefully you understood. Heavy monsoon state, ये है 7, 900 or above, right? Quickly drop in the comment if you understood this part up till now. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Okay, so then approximately what percentage of the heavy monsoon state have the negative deviation? अब ये 7 स्टेट में से कितने नेगेटिव डेविएशन वाले हैं? लुक एट द नेगेटिव डेविएशन. सो ये जो ऊपर के हैं, राइट? सो नेगेटिव डेविएशन में ये नेगेटिव है, दिस शोज नेगेटिव, 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 बाकी तो पॉजिटिव है 4, राइट? सो 1 2 3 आउट ऑफ 7, तो 3 आउट ऑफ 7, 3 by 7 into 100, 1 by 7 into 100 is 14.28, so 3 by 7 into 100 it will be 42.86% के आसपास जाएगा ये. So that's it. इससे सिंपल और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द इंफॉर्मेशन यू कैन इजीली, क्विकली you can solve all 4 questions. So it's that easy, but the thing is most of the student ये देख के ही give up करते हैं. So that's the problem with this. You need to comprehend the information. Don't be afraid about it. Be confident, think about it, give it a time. You'll definitely understand it. Okay, so let's look at the second question. So यहाँ पे LPAs हमें सारे calculate भी नहीं करने पड़े. Look at this. So we are done with the first part. Sure, quickly move to the next. Second question. If a low monsoon state is defined as the state with rainfall from June to August 2019 750 or less, 750 or less, and then what is the median? Median simply means middle. Okay, that's it. So let's come back to the graph. Low monsoon state 750 mm or उससे कम. Sorry, let's have a look at it. 750 mm or less. Let's mark 750. So this is 700. It will be close here. So there is now nothing on boundary. 750 or below. So we have these, all these. So which one is the median? यहाँ पे देखो, पहले मिलेगा गुजरात, कर्नाटका, राजस्थान, MP. So I'll write all this: Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, MP, Then we have Assam. After that we have West Bengal, Jharkhand, Delhi, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Delhi, and Manipur. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 here. So Gujarat is 600. Karnataka is also 600. Rajasthan is 300. MP is 600. Assam is 600. Then we have West Bengal as 600. Then Jharkhand as 400. Delhi as 300. And Manipur as 400. So these are the low monsoon states. So how many we have? 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 5 times 600. Then 400. Okay, low monsoon state, that is 750 or less. So these are 750 or less. And we want median of this. So which are the low? There are 9 values, so we'll find 4 lows here. So median of this will be sorry, we want to calculate the deviation, sorry, not this. So these are the actual rainfall. So deviation for Gujarat is 25. Deviation for Karnataka is 20. For Rajasthan it is 15. For MP it is 10. And for Assam it is -10. For West Bengal it is -30. Then for Jharkhand it is -35. And for Delhi it is -40. And then for Manipur it is -60. So take the negative values. The lowest will be -60, -40, -35, -30. So these are the lowest, and the highest would be this 4. So which will be the median? Assam, that is -10. So we were not supposed to calculate the median of actual rainfall. So actually the question was about deviation from LPA. So deviation from LPA middle is -10. That is answer option D. Right? Let's move to the next one. Have you understood this part, Nicole? What is the average rainfall of all the states that have actual rainfall 600 mm or less in 2019 and have a negative deviation from LPA? Okay, quickly. 600 or less with negative deviation. So we can have a look at this. 600 deviation, negative deviation with 600 or less. 600 और लेस में ये आ जाएंगे आसाम, वेस्ट बंगाल, झारखंड, दिल्ली, ऑल दिस नेगेटिव डेविएशन अभी हमने कैलकुलेट किए थे ये 5. तो आसाम इज 600, वेस्ट बंगाल इज 600, देन झारखंड इज 400, देन दिल्ली इज 300, Manipur 400, and all others are greater than this 600. So what is the average? 600, 600, 400, 400, it is 2300, total 2300. So this is the simplest set that we can expect in CAT. So divided by how many states were there? There were 5. So you'll get 460 mm, right? And we have one more. Last one is slightly tricky as compared to the previous one, but definitely you should go for it. That's right. That's simple if you understand the information properly. So the LPA of states for a year is defined as the average rainfall in preceding 10 years, considering the period of June to August. Okay, so for example, LPA for 2018 is the average rainfall during 2009 to 2018, 10 साल का average. Then LPA of 2019, LPA of 2019 will start from 2010 to 2019, that is 10 years, preceding 10 years. Are you getting this? So this is important. So LPA 2019 and LPA 2018. So what we have, we are given with the actual rainfall of 2019, and this is the deviation as compared to the 2018. So it is observed that the actual rainfall in Gujarat 2019 is 20% more than the rainfall in 2009. Means देखो 2019 का actual rainfall अगर तुम गुजरात का देखोगे तो वो है 600, which is 20% more than in 2009. 20% means this must be 500. Because if this is x, this must be 1.20x, that is 20% more, and we know 1.20x is 600, so for sure x must be 500. That's why I write here 500, right? So ये हमारा आ गया 2009 का actual rainfall 500 and 2019 ka actual 600. Now we know the graph shows the actual rainfall of 2019 and its deviation from 2000 LPA of 2018 as given in the question. So if you look at this value for Gujarat, Gujarat is 600 and the deviation is plus 25%. Here, look at the horizontal axis. Look at horizontally. So 25% means LPA 2018. If it is Y, then if you increase it by 25%, if deviation is of 25%, it will be 1.25y, and 1.25y is, we are given with 1.25y as 600, so y must be equal to 600 upon 125 into 100. So if you solve this way, 4 by 5, 12, 120 into 4, this must be 480. So LPA 2018 is 480, right? Now if you look at this 2009 में से, अब देखो ये LPA कैसे काउंट हुआ, LPA 2018 कैसे काउंट हुआ, 2009 से लेके 2018 तक के एवरेज, 10 साल का एवरेज, राइट है। अब हमें LPA 2019 चाहिए, LPA 2019, it must be from, it will start from 2010 to 2019. So we can subtract 2019 का तो हमें पता है, actually it is 600. So whatever the addition we have got for 2009 to 18, उसमें से 2009 gone, and instead of that we start from 2010 and we take one more year, that is 2019. So 2019 means 4, 2009 is 500 gone and 2019 लिया तो 600 add, so there will be change of 100 and this 100 plus 100 will be divided in 10 years, so the LPA will increase by 10. So LPA 2018 was 480 plus 10, so 480 plus 10, it should be 490. That's 490. So this one was slightly tricky to solve. Hopefully you understood. Drop me the comment, guys, if you have any query related to this up till now. Ready to move for the next set, all of you? Okay, so we'll move to the next set. That's now it's logical reasoning, guys. इस टाइप के data interpretation अगर CAT में तुम्हें मिलते हैं तो definitely solve करने चाहिए, because in this set it will just take 5 to 6 minutes to get all these 4 questions correct. It's a very simple set. The only thing you need to remember, read the information very carefully, comprehend it properly. कॉम्प्रिहेंशन तभी तुम्हारा अच्छा होगा जब तुम ज्यादा से ज्यादा डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन प्रैक्टिस करोगे. So let's quickly go for the next set. Next set is going to be a slightly logical today. So let's understand first. Chalo, quickly try to read it and try to comprehend it properly. So this is the set about the student in a college are discussing 2 proposals. So first proposal क्या है, guys? A proposal by the authorities to introduce a dress code on campus. Okay, so एक dress code के लिए एक proposal है. Then a proposal by the students to allow multinational food franchise to set up outlets on the college campus. Okay, so that's, you can just call it as A and B. Then the student does not necessarily support either of these 2 proposals. It may happen, कोई स्टूडेंट बोलेगा मैं ए को सपोर्ट करता हूँ, कोई बोलेगा मैं बी सपोर्ट करता हूँ, कुछ लोग होंगे जो बोलेंगे मैं ए और बी दोनों सपोर्ट करता हूँ. एट द सेम टाइम कुछ लोग होंगे जो बोलेंगे कि हम इसमें से कोई भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते, दोनों भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते. सो इट कैन बी, देयर आर 4 पॉसिबिलिटीज. ओके, सो कोई ए सपोर्ट कर सकता है, ओनली ए ओनली बी. सो यू कैन सिंपली थिंक अबाउट द सेट थ्योरी, जैसे तुम सोच सकते हो इसको ए बी, ओनली ए ओनली बी, both A and B, and there may be the other group which will say neither A nor B. It looks simple. Okay, are you trying? If you have any query, any doubt related to any part, you can just tell me. Nicole, are you with me? Have you read the information? Okay, so this is just the part of the information. Okay, let's start. A student is not necessarily support either of the two proposals. So ऐसे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, so you can just think of this. That's it. In an upcoming election for students, in upcoming student. Okay. Nicole and Sujana, both of you understood. Okay, great going, guys. So let's get it for go for it. I'll show you the next slide. This is slightly tough, but if you enjoy doing set theory, so this is the set you can manage. But definitely in last year CAT 2019 there were many easy sets compared to this set जो तुम दूसरे कर सकते थे. But for sure अगर किसी को ये करना ही है, so they can go for it. It totally depends how you understand the set theory. Okay, so there are two candidates. So for upcoming elections for students union president, so there are two candidates in phrase. So Sunita and Ragini, every students prefer one of the candidate. अब ये for sure है कि या तो वो सुनीता को सपोर्ट करेगा या तो रागिनी को सपोर्ट करेगा. That's surely, you know. ए और बी प्रपोजल के बारे में नहीं पता, दोनों प्रपोजल के सपोर्ट में हो सकता है, एक के हो सकता है, बी के हो सकता है, या तो दोनों की भी नहीं हो सकता है. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. ओके, सो हियर इज द नेक्स्ट इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव. सो I'll just show you the hints and what are the questions that are asked. Okay, so a survey was conducted among the students by picking a sample of 500 students. So total students में पे एक सर्वे हुआ, 500 लोगों पे ही सर्वे हुआ है. Okay, so this survey just include 500 students. Okay, so the following information was noted from this survey. Okay, so if you read the points, I'm not means I can say if you connect the clues with the points, then see if you can connect which are the important clue. You can pick. I'm not going to solve it for you directly. You need to try it first. Okay, Nicole. Understood, Sujana? Have you understood this? So Sujana, समझ में आया तुम्हें? 250 students supported a proposal A, 250 students supported proposal B. Then among the 200 students who preferred Sunita as a student union president, 80% supported proposal A. So among those who preferred Ragini, 30% supported proposal A, 20% of those who supported proposal B preferred Sunita. Then 40% of those who did not support the proposal B, so this is going to be again slightly different clue, preferred Ragini. Every student who preferred Sunita and supported a proposal B also supported proposal A. And among those who preferred Ragini, 20% did not support any of those proposals. So guys, ये clues पढ़ने से तुम्हें कुछ नहीं समझेगा unless and until you have certain framework to do. मतलब तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे क्या वैल्यूज कहाँ पे रखने हैं. सो ये एक चीज ऐसी भी है, तुम एक टेबल भी तुम बना, टेबल की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी, एट द सेम टाइम वेन डायग्राम की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी. सो रागिनी एंड सुनीता ये दो है. एट द सेम टाइम फिर किसी ने प्रपोजल ए है, कोई प्रपोजल बी है, फिर ए एंड बी दोनों कॉमन हो सकते हैं, फिर there will be some people जो A भी नहीं है, B नहीं है. So these are 4 possibilities. ये table हो गया. So you need to fill in it. Okay, so both of you understood now. Okay, I'll show you the questions. Look at the question level. Among the students surveyed who supported proposal A, what percentage preferred Sunita for student union president? Okay, so Sunita ko kitne for student union president, and what percentage of the students surveyed who did not support proposal A preferred Ragini as a student union president? So these are the 2 questions. This is, as I already told you, that it's going to be a tricky question for you. So I'll just suggest you to try to connect few clues. Otherwise we'll go ahead with this. And as I said, this is the tough question as compared to the इसी slot में CAT 2019 के slot 2 का question नहीं है. इसी slot में काफी easy questions भी आए थे last year. There were many easy questions compared to this. Okay, so let's talk about this. How to represent the information? That's the main challenge. Have you tried? Any one of you tried? Nicole, Sujana? Please drop me the comment if you have a question related to any clue that you didn't understood. Both of you know how to solve the set theory, how to tackle it. मैंने थोड़ा सा आइडिया दिया set theory में कैसे represent कर सकते हैं. Okay, I'll tell you how to represent it. Okay, थोड़ा सा मैं तुम्हारे लिए easy बना सकता हूँ. अगर तुम्हें कैसे structured में तुम्हें लिखना है, that's slightly important. Both of you are trying? Okay, give it a try. It will it's actually time consuming, but if you understood this, once you connected with the information and तुम्हें अगर समझ में आया, तो फिर ये बहुत ज़्यादा calculation में lengthy तो नहीं है, but definitely logical बहुत है. You need to be very careful while connecting the clues. Okay, what I can do, I can just get you some hints so that you'll definitely understand what to do. This is what exactly you should represent the information, and hopefully you understood. देखो, फर्स्ट टेबल में हम सिंपली ये ट्राई करेंगे कि ए प्रपोजल के लिए कितने, दिस इज ए प्रपोजल, ए प्रपोजल बी, जो रागिनी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं प्रपोजल ए को भी प्रिफर कर रहे हैं, रागिनी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं प्रपोजल बी. एट द सेम टाइम एक और करेक्शन है इस डायग्राम में, सुनो. सो ए बी, दिस पार्ट विल शो ए एंड बी. आई विल ड्रॉ वन मोर सर्कल हियर which will represent neither A nor B for and those who prefer Ragini as a president. Then I'll take one more circle here to represent neither A nor B who preferred Sunita. So this will represent A, this will represent B, this will represent A and B. Can you try it now? Understood how to represent the information, Sujana? Then Nicole. It will be, I think this structure will be really helpful for you. I can show you the slides, the previous hints as well. So 250 students supported proposal A and 250 supported proposal B. So this is about the total students who supported proposal A. Okay, that's not only A, means complete A and B भी आ गए उसमें. So 250 supported A and 250 supported B. It's not, it doesn't mean 250 ये 250 अलग है, ये 250 अलग है. हो सकता है इसी 250 में से 100 उधर है. There can be a common overlap हो सकता है यहाँ पे. ओके, ये 250 डिफरेंट रहेंगे, ऐसा कोई कंपल्शन नहीं है. There can be मीन्स ऐसा ही हो सकता है कि ये सिर्फ 300 लोग हैं और इधर 250 है, इधर 50 है, ऐसे भी हो सकता है. एंड इधर 200 इधर B में है. Then there can be overlap between A and B here. Next thing, among the 200 students who preferred Sunita as a student union president. So 200 students preferred Sunita as union president. ये तो हमें पता चल गया कि सुनीता का टोटल, देखो सुनीता और रागिनी दोनों मिला के तो 500 ही रहेगा. सो फॉर श्योर अगर सुनीता के लिए 200 है, सो दिस इज सुनीता. एंड सबने या तो सुनीता को प्रेफर किया या तो रागिनी को, दोनों में से एक को तो प्रेफर किया. तो 200 सुनीता, तो रागिनी होना चाहिए 300. दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन कंक्लूड. Is it right, Nicole? Have you understood up till now? Both of you understood? Sujana, Nicole, 200, 300 कैसे लिया, समझ में आया? Because 200 it is given. सुनीता के लिए 200 है, second clue में given है. Among the 200 students who preferred Sunita as a student union president, 80% supported proposal A. So what is 80%? What is 80% of 200, Nicole? 10% is 20, 20% will be 40. So 80% is 100 का 80% is 80. So 200 का कितना होगा? 160. 160 student supported A. That's what we can say, right? Then among those who preferred Ragini, 30% supported proposal A. 30% supported A. इसका 30% कितना होगा? इसका 10% होता है 30, so 30% होगा 90. and this is how it is R plus A. ये तो 250 आने वाला था, तो ये तुम डायरेक्टली भी लिख सकते थे, ऐसे कुछ कंपलसरी नहीं है. Yes, 160 and 90. So understood these two values? Okay, so we are done with this, done with this, done with this. 3 clues done. We have more 4 clues with us. So 20% of those who supported B, 20% of those who supported proposal B preferred Sunita. 20% of those who supported प्रपोजल बी, तो बी का टोटल तो 250 है. 250 का 20% होता है 50. तो those preferred Sunita. So here it must be 100, or not 100, it should be 50. right? Have you understood, Nicole, this part, how it is 50? Okay, after that this clue will keep aside because ये है did not support proposal B, तो did not support proposal B preferred रागिनी, तो did not support proposal B में तो बहुत कुछ आएगा, जो दोनों सपोर्ट नहीं करते वो भी आएंगे, जो B को छोड़ के ओनली ए वाले भी आएंगे. सो दिस इज बिट डिफरेंट, इसको थोड़ा सा साइड में रखते हैं, ये वाला यूज करते हैं. एवरी स्टूडेंट हु प्रीफर्ड सुनीता सपोर्टेड प्रपोजल बी. Every student who preferred Sunita and support proposal B also supported proposal A. So this is the important one. Sunita and preferred Sunita and supported proposal B. अभी हमने किया था, ये 50 लोग हैं और ये सारे 50 लोगों ने A को भी सपोर्ट किया. ए को भी सपोर्ट किया, मतलब ये 50 ये और 160 का ओवरलैप है, 50 और 160 का ओवरलैप है. दैट मीन्स मैं यहाँ पे नोट डाउन करता हूं कि ए और बी में ए 160 है, बी 50 है, तो दोनों में कॉमन 50 है. सो बेसिकली ये जो है ये 50 अलग नहीं है, ये 50 जो है ये 160 में से ही है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस, निकोल? Have you understood this part? Okay, Nicole, let me tell you, if you understood this part, give me a thumbs up. If you understand how this is 160, 50, 50, you can tell me this value, and this total is about Sunita, and Sunita is total 200. This was 300. Right, Nicole? Understood? ओके, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो निकोल अभी यहां पे आते हैं. लुक एट दिस, सुनीता इज 200, टोटल 200 लोगों ने सुनीता को प्रेफर किया है, उसमें से 160 लोगों ने ए प्रपोजल को सपोर्ट किया है एंड 50 लोगों ने बी को सपोर्ट किया है. आर यू गेटिंग दिस, निकोल? ओके. And those who have supported both A and B, this is neither A and B, neither A nor B. Okay, so ये 50 है. Now you know this complete circle is 50 और ये common part भी 50. That means this must be 0. And here it must be 110. 110 plus 60 is 160, and here it must be 40. Right, Nicole? That's what I want from everybody. So that's it. It's right. Okay, we have one more clue with us now. Last one. The among those who, now we need not this क्योंकि ये तो सब रागिनी के बारे में है. We'll check for it. Okay, just a minute. Sixth is done. Among those who preferred Ragini, among those who preferred Ragini, 20% did not support any proposal. 20% of the student who supported Ragini, Ragini को support कितने लोगों ने किया? 300. 300 का 20% कितना होता है? 10% 30, 20% will be 60. Neither A nor B, A भी नहीं, B भी नहीं, ये 60 लोग हैं. Are you clear about this, Nicole? Yes. Okay, after that we know 60, 90, then we have one more clue. B की related है हमारे पास. Okay, one more thing we have. सुनो निकोल, हमारे पास ये 50 है, दिस इज 250, दिस मस्ट बी 200 देन. एम आई राइट? प्रपोजल बी में 250 है टोटल, here it is 50, it must be 200. have you understood this part? 200 कैसे आया? and 90. So this is about Ragini. Fill it here. A is 90, B is 200. Have you understood this? B 200, Nicole? So hopefully you understood, because this total is 250, here it is 50, so ऊपर आएंगे 200. After that we need to find how many are common. Which are how many common, Nicole? Because there are 60 who do not support any of this plan, so that means this total must be this part 1 2 3. This part must be 60 gone. Out of रागिनी के 300 है, 300 में से 60 gone. 60 तो कोई भी सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, तो रागिनी को जो प्रीफर कर रहे हैं एज अ प्रेसिडेंट, उसमें से 240 लोग हैं जो कम से कम एटलीस्ट वन प्रपोजल को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे ऐड करता हूं 90 प्लस 200, 90 प्लस 200 बिकम्स 290. सो ये पार्ट दो बार काउंट हुआ. So this common part is counted as twice. That's why it is coming 290, but actually it is just 240. So what is the common part? Can you drop me the comment, Nicole? What is the common part? The students who are both A and B, which is the common part? How much will be the common part? You must have hopefully सेट थ्री का बेसिक फॉर्मूला सबको पता होगा. A यूनियन B is A plus B minus A intersection B. A union B is 240. It is 90 plus 200 minus X. So X must be 50. Need not to do that way. ये 50 exceed कर गया. Right, Nicole? Let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt related to this. So this common part must be 50. Okay. So this is what we have got up till now. Also we have this value as well. This was 40. Okay, now it's done. So here it must be 40. It should be 150. So this comes out to be 250. So that's it. So if you understand up till now, अभी सारे questions अपने हो जाएंगे. And as I said, कंपेयर टू दिस सेट 2019 के स्लॉट 2 के हम कल से और करेंगे. कल से लेके फ्राइडे तक अपना कंप्लीट हो जाएगा 2019 का कंप्लीट. स्लॉट 2, स्लॉट 1 ऑलरेडी हो गया. होपफुली निकोल तुमने वो वीडियोस देखे जो हमने पहले किए, पार्ट 1, पार्ट 2, पार्ट 3, पार्ट 4. दिस इज पार्ट 5 फॉर 2019. सो कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशंस दोनों स्लॉट्स का अपने किया है. If you haven't watched those videos, go and watch. Slot 1 के भी complete solutions है डिटेल में. Okay, so let's move to the questions then. Among the students, do it carefully now. Once you understand once you have solved it, again इसके आगे थोड़ा सा तुम्हें carefully ये question solve कर लेने हैं. Among the students surveyed, who supported proposal A. So those students who supported proposal A. So question थोड़े से tricky है, एकदम straight forward नहीं है. Information अभी अपने पास पूरा है, but फिर भी अभी गलती नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay. So the students surveyed who support proposal A, what percentage preferred Sunita for student union president. So हमें वो student चाहिए जिन्होंने proposal A को support किया, right? तो प्रपोजल ए सपोर्ट करने वाले टोटल लोग अगर हम लेते हैं, टोटल लोग जिन्होंने प्रपोजल ए सपोर्ट किया, वो तो हमें वैसे भी पता है कि 250 होने चाहिए. अगर कोई यहाँ पे काउंट भी कर लेता है 110, 150. सुनीता को सपोर्ट करने वाले 160, रागिनी को सपोर्ट करने वाले 90, ये देखो, ये 90 एंड 160 ऐड कर दो, 250 होता है, राइट निकोल? 250 में से सुनीता को सपोर्ट कितने लोगों ने किया? सुनीता को सपोर्ट किया है 160। तो 160 आउट ऑफ 250 into 100। ये क्वेश्चन तुम वैसे भी कर सकते थे सॉल्व। दिस वन वाज, फर्स्ट वन वाज स्लाइटली इजी। कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन सॉल्व भी नहीं करते, तुम्हें हाफ ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन पे भी ये आ जाता था। 16 into 4, it should be 64 and it was a theta question, so you don't have any answer option, so you should be very confident in solving this theta question. So theta question requires a lot of confidence. मीन्स तुम्हें करेक्ट है ये पता नहीं, बिकॉज उसमें कोई चांस लेके तुम्हारा मीन्स एमसीक्यू में कभी होता है कि तुम चांस लेते हो और सही भी आ सकता है, थोड़ा सा जजमेंट लेके थोड़ा रिस्क ले सकते हैं एक हाथ दो क्वेश्चन में, बट कैट में ऐसे कुछ करना नहीं चाहिए। बेसिकली जितना आता है उतना ही सॉल्व करना चाहिए। थीटा फॉर श्योर, अभी तुम्हें आता है तभी तुम कुछ एंटर करोगे, अदरवाइज प्रोबेबिलिटी तो बहुत कम है, तुम कुछ भी रैंडम एंटर करोगे और सही आएगा। Okay, so what percentage of the students surveyed who did not support proposal A, who did not support proposal A, preferred Ragini as student union president? तो A को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, so what percentage of the students surveyed who did not support proposal A? So जो प्रपोजल ए को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, प्रपोजल ए को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं मतलब ये 150 चलेंगे, ये 60 चलेंगे, राइट? 210 हो गया, देन ये 40 चलेंगे, बेसिकली 250 ही आएंगे क्योंकि 250 लोग तो करते हैं। और उसमें से जो नहीं करते हैं उसमें से रागिनी को सपोर्ट करने वाले हमें चाहिए। हु प्रिफर्ड रागिनी, जो रागिनी को प्रिफर कर रहे हैं ऐसे, तो रागिनी को प्रिफर करने वाले जो ए में नहीं है ऐसे कितने हैं? 150 एंड 60, 210 और ये 40 थे, बट ये रागिनी के लिए नहीं है, बट टोटल तो 250 है। 250 में से 210, so it is 210 out of 250 into 100, right? So 25 का 4 times 21 into 4, it comes out to be 84%. Again theta question, दो theta questions. Okay, let's quickly finish next two questions. What percentage of the students surveyed who supported both proposal A and B, दोनों को सपोर्ट किया, preferred सुनीता as union president? तो कितने, what percentage of the students surveyed who supported both A and B preferred सुनीता as the student union president? So पहले तो ये बताओ A and B दोनों के सपोर्ट में है ऐसे कितने लोग हैं? बोथ A and B, ये 50-50 हो गया, 100 लोग हैं, तो 50% रागिनी में है, 50% सुनीता में है, सो 50-50 है, इट्स 50% सिंपली। नंबर भी 50 है, परसेंटेज भी 50 आएगा, 100 का है क्योंकि दोनों में 50-50 है। बोथ प्रपोजल वाला क्वेश्चन था ये। होपफुली यू अंडरस्टूड निकोल। एंड द लास्ट वन, हाउ मेनी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स सर्वे supported proposal B? Okay, so how many of the students surveyed supported proposal B, did not support proposal A, B को सपोर्ट किया बट A को नहीं किया, and preferred रागिनी? सो इंपॉर्टेंट कंडीशन अगर मैं यहां पे देखूं, ये इतना सब पढ़ने से बेटर एक तो कंफर्म है कि प्रिफर्ड बाय रागिनी में ही हमको देखना चाहिए, रागिनी को प्रिफर करना चाहिए, डिड नॉट सपोर्ट ए बट ए बी को सपोर्ट करना चाहिए। रागिनी के सेट जो हमने बनाया रागिनी के लिए, जो बनाया इंफॉर्मेशन जो रिप्रेजेंट किया है, रागिनी वाले प्रेफरेंस जिन्होंने रागिनी के लिए प्रेफरेंस दिया है, उसमें से जो बी को सपोर्ट करते हैं बट ए को सपोर्ट नहीं करते हैं, ऐसे लोग हमें चाहिए। सो इफ यू लुक एट दिस, रागिनी को सपोर्ट करने वाले इतने हैं, बी को सपोर्ट करते हैं बट ए को नहीं करते हैं। सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? इट शुड बी 150, राइट निकोल? इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन। इंफॉर्मेशन अगर निकाला है तो सीधे सीधे आंसर आ जाएगा, इट्स 150। so this is the question which is not everyone's cup of tea. Those who are good at set theory they can definitely go for it, but अगर तुम्हें लगता है, and even जिनके लिए set theory जिनको अच्छा भी लगता है, जिनको उन्होंने भी करना चाहिए डेफिनेटली अगर आता है तो, बट प्रायोरिटी थोड़ा सा एंड में रखना चाहिए था, क्योंकि इससे भी इजी काफी क्वेश्चंस 2019 सेट में थे। तो तुम्हारा स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है वो बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है, अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है तो डेफिनेटली करना चाहिए, बट अगर लेंदी लगता है तो हमें ये भी समझना चाहिए कि अपना स्ट्रॉन्ग पॉइंट है बट डिफिकल्ट लेंदी क्वेश्चन है, तो तुम थोड़ा सा आगे जाकर दूसरे सेट्स भी देख सकते हो। पिक द इजी सेट्स फर्स्ट, देन अगर कुछ है ही नहीं, फिर एक ही सेट है तो डेफिनेटली करना ही पड़ेगा फिर तो। बट अगर इजी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है तो दिस वाज स्लाइटली ट्रिकी, दैट्स व्हाट आई कैन से। How do you find, Nicole? Was it tough, moderate, difficult? It was moderate to difficult one. Yes. But the first one जो हमने आज DI का first set किया, that was means how do you find the first one, Nicole? That about the rainfall, जिसमें थोड़ा सा LPA था, एक लॉन्ग पीरियड एवरेज, थोड़ा सा टर्म्स एंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन अगर तुम कर लेते फर्स्ट सेट डेटा इंटरप्रिटेशन वाला, दैट वाज वेरी इजी। मतलब उसमें से एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन अगर छोड़ दो तो पहले तीन तो ऐसे थे कि जस्ट विद इन अ मिनट वाला था। फर्स्ट वन वाज इजी। So these are both the sets of actual CAT 2019. So CAT requires simple mindset guys. Means ऐसे भी sets मिलेंगे जो 5-6 मिनट में completely solve हो जाते हैं. But the problem is most of the student cannot figure out कि कौन सा करना चाहिए कौन सा नहीं करना चाहिए. That's the main challenge, and the one thing that is the reason for that is this is totally trial and error. तुम 5 मिनट स्पेंड करते हो तब तुम्हें समझ में आता है कि टफ है या इजी है. तो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम यही होता है. सो दैट्स बिट डिफिकल्ट इन एग्जाम. हम जब प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो थोड़ा सा टाइम लिमिट, हम टाइम के बारे में सोचते नहीं है, बट अगर तुम्हें टाइम लिमिट दिया जाए तो ये थोड़े से ट्रिकी हो जाते हैं. Okay guys, that's it for the day. So see you tomorrow. Tomorrow again we'll be solving 2 to 3 sets we'll try to cover tomorrow from CAT 2019 slot 2. Okay, so those who want to attend my special session, they can come on Unacademy app, go to Play Store, download the learning app. You can use this code for the plus subscription if you want. Shyam1 is my code. So this is the discount code to avail the 10% of discount. So guys, अगर किसी ने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया होगा, so do share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be notified about our next upcoming live sessions. And do share the link guys. So done for